here we are at the last step for this course, and possibly the most important. This is where we dip our toes into SEO, or search engine optimization. It's sort of where we get to peek beneath the hood of Google and see how we did or are doing with our optimization. And what we do here is really what will put your WordPress site above your competition. So pay attention. Hopefully you've already installed the Yoast SEO plugin. This will add new functionality and analyzation to your web pages. Now let's go back to your home page and edit it. As you slide down the page, you will see a section near the bottom that says Yoast SEO. Click to open that or expand it. At the top, please see the snippet preview. This is what Yoast thinks your page will look like when it hits Google. It shows the page name, the URL, and the description field. You can change the title and the description from here. Just click on them and type in something new. But before you do, look down a little further. See where it says focus key phrase? Put your focus keyword in that field. Now Yoast will tell you how well it thinks you did for that keyword on that specific page. You can read through Yoast's analysis and see what it thinks you need to fix to rate higher for that keyword on Google. You will learn a ton from the feedback Yoast gives you here. There will be some time rewriting, some shifting of some of your content, but all of this is very important. If you can get Yoast to rate you green for your keywords on that page, you should rise to the very top of Google for this keyword. If it's a real competitive word, maybe just being in the top 10 will be good enough, and that will get you there. There is also a section on readability. It doesn't hurt to optimize this too. Some of this is harder and some of it doesn't make much sense to me. Generally, it will not help you rate any higher in Google, but it will make you sound more intelligent. So don't ignore this, but also don't stress about it. There will be some work here, but once it's done, you will be optimized for keyword on this page. Continue to do that for every page on your site and every keyword on those pages. It will help you target each of your web pages for the keywords you choose for that web page and get them to the point where they work the way you want them to in Google.